Good day, Carl from Studio Incar. This is Ant's Hilux. I will always try and persuade you or talk you into spending money on the car that you're in all the time. The vehicle you spend the most amount of time in. The amount of times I hear, it's just a truck, mate. It's just a van. I chuck my tools in there. But you're in it all the time. All right, we get it. We like to spend money on our sort of fancy things and the cars that are in the garage and stuff like that. And I'll still take that, you know. We work on some gorgeous cars, okay? But if you've got something you use all the time, why wouldn't that be the one that you invest in terms of sound, you know? Because you get to listen to it then all the time. Surely that's where the value for money is. Anyway, I know it might seem weird that I would have that point of view, but it's often that I'll say, you know, we should be putting the larger system in the one you use all the time. And that's exactly what we've done with Ant's Hilux. Now, here's another Hilux that's being swapped with this one, which is having the exact same system in with, and I mean exactly the same. So you can get in one and out of the other, same tune, map on it, you know, same head unit, everything will function exactly the same. So yeah, great stuff. This is a wicked system. It's Audison SR 5.600 on mids, tweeters and bass, so subwoofer, not mid basses, an SR4 bridge for the mid basses. So we do that all the time. You'll see that sort of recipe everywhere. We'll always spec a 4-channel instead of a 2-channel because we can usually double down on it, get a bit more power. But what also happens is it gives us a 4-channel further down the line if we need more channels, or if we take it out and put it in a different car, things like that. It's a better way of spending money. We've got a Morel Elate Carbon Pro 63A in this, so fully active front end, like I've just said, bridged mid basses, the carbon mid bass, the carbon mid range, and the Alto tweeter on custom A-pillars and on custom mirror backs. So they're on axis. They're not on the same plane, so there's a little bit of timing we've had to do there, but they are on the same axis. Let me show you what's going on. Now, I have B-roll of behind the seat, because those of you that are possibly watching this because you have one of these, you'll understand that we have very limited space to put things. Now, we have a JLTW5 13-inch woofer in this, in a wedge box, a very shallow profile box. All the amps and everything, the DSP and everything is all mounted behind the seats. We've stood the seats off with stainless steel hardware by 15 mil. That doesn't sound like a lot, but when you get the rake of the seat and it moves it out further than 15 mil, basically. Science. But it's all hidden away behind that rear seat. But you can see the front end, you can see the radio and stuff. So let's take a look at that now. We've done a number of other things to this. I absolutely love the way this looks. It looks NATO spec. Being an ex-military man, I do love a Toyota. So yeah, anyway. There's the tweeter there, custom pod. And then you get the pillars, which you can see. Now, when we're building these cars, when we're building these things, obviously we see them with no trim and everything on. We're thinking, Jesus, they're massive. And they actually do look quite big in this video because of our wide angle lens, but they're not. And the handles did us a massive favor. You put the handles back on and they all just fall back into context. We have the Alpine, the 705D, Hilux 705D on CarPlay duties. And then everything else, well, so, you know, obviously we have the mid bass in the doors, you can't see them. It's all fully deadened, everything's been deadened, all of the, and the roof, the lot. So, yeah. Great place to spend money if you're, you know, if you're into sound. You don't have to be into car audio, just if you're into sound at all. And I bet we all are. I bet every single person is into sound to some degree. If you went to a concert and the lead singer or the band or the solo artist or whatever walked out with a Bluetooth speaker, put it on the stage, and there was 300 people in the room, you're not going to have a good time, right? And that's because it's not going to sound very good. You're going to understand that. You're going to understand, even if you don't actively know it's because you don't like bad sound, your brain's going to go, mate, this sounds shit, we should go. Do you know what I mean? There's a reason why PA exists. There's a reason why EQ exists, and DSP, and rooms, huge listening rooms, huge theaters, things like that. They all exist because deep down, we all care about the way things sound, and we want it to be as good as we can possibly get, you know, as faithful to use the sort of hi-fi cliche, as faithful to the original sound that the artist intended, you know? So, yeah. I know it's a dirty old Hilux. Oh, I love it for that, but it now has an absolutely pristine sound system. It's wicked. And it sounds great. I'm buzzing right now because I've just got out of it. We've just done a final sort of few minutes of tuning, just a little listen, see if everything's still up to spec. It was only yesterday and the day before, because we do tuning blocks in sort of small bursts of time, so you don't get any fatigue on your ears, because you can often end up thinking something sounds good and it doesn't, you know. Yeah, we've done things like integrating the light bar to the high beam. Ant's got air horns on all his cars. I have no idea why he loves an air horn. We've repaired that one on this. A number of other little bits and bobs that we've done for Ant. Now, we only do those little bits and bobs for current clients, all right? People who are having sort of, you know, jobs done here. So don't try and get us to fit a Dixie horn, all right? Anyway, I'm Carl, this is Studio Incar, this is Ant's Hilux. If you have a vehicle that you use all the time and you're into sound, and I think you are, that's where you should be spending, all right? Take it easy.